Hi, this is a quick video for the Ikea Hack wireless charging stand. So this is the wireless charging stand. You can get this in black and white at Ikea, and it costs about 10 Aussie dollars, so it's probably about half that in US dollars. These are the two printed parts that you've got a 3D print, and so they slot together like that. And then you need a USB charging cable as well. So to put it together, pretty straightforward. With your charging pad, you want to have it so that the X or the cross is on the top, and then you're sliding it in the back. But make sure the USB charger port is at the bottom, because that's going to poke out here, so you can plug the cable in. So if we slide that in that way around, should be about right. And you can see the port is there. The next step is take your USB cable and feed it in the bottom of the stand, and then plug that in. And then bring that around, slot that in there like that. Okay, and the other thing we need to do is just feed the cable in through those little grooves there, and that holds it in place, so it's nice and flush when it comes out the back. And there you go, there's the stand assembly. I'm going to pop a phone on it. Oh, and it says my phone's 100% charged already. But you can see it's all working. Thanks for watching.